This will be the last bird you'll ever touch in your life, because this is the world's most poisonous bird. Not only is it deadly to eat, but even touching it could send you straight to heaven. Its name is the hooded pitohui, and you'll find it in New Guinea. This beautiful bird contains batrachotoxin, a toxin so dangerous that it rivals the poison of the golden dart frog, one of the most poisonous creatures on Earth, capable of bringing down a full-grown elephant. So, if you ever try to pet this bird, your body could become paralyzed. Your breathing would slow down, and eventually stop completely.